Okay, so now to check our level of understanding of the previous section, we are going to ask you to please do the following exercise. So here, the first one is about the naming. So we still focus on only the alkanes. So just look at the compounds and look at the notes that we've done and the previous section that we talked about or discussed. Then tell us the names of the first two compounds that are here. So these are called the molecular structures of the compounds. So I've given you the molecular structures. Yours is to count how many carbons there are, figure out what is the root name, and then add the suffix. And then once you finish with that one, we are going to do the reverse. So for these two, I've given you the names. Then I need you to give me or draw the structures for these two compounds. So please do that one.